right, again, Tom from Rocket Restorations at Rocket Resto at the 2023 MCACN show. This car just pulled in. Owner is Dave Hakim. If you don't know him, you should. He is an amazing guy in the Mopar realm. But this car was a test vehicle for Wayne State University. And just as an aside, it's really cool too because it's very similar to my Road Runner that I have in the barn find section. So it's white with burnt orange interior. Mine's black with burnt orange interior. And then this is a post car. Mine's a hardtop, but very similar car. Super cool. Let me give you a little tour of the car. So according to Dave, so this thing had 14,000 miles on it at Wayne State University, and it sat outside. So a guy by the name of Sherman, who, if you might know him, he sells body panels. He's been known for that. Not the best quality, but he's the one who actually bought it from the state. So super low mile car. It was painted in the 80s though, because it sat outside. But very original car. I'm pretty sure that's original interior in it. Has a tach. But what they used this car for was testing crash barriers. So what they did is this was the tow vehicle. So, 446 pack Road Runner, sorry, 6-barrel Road Runner. Made a great tow vehicle. But 15s on it. So they would tow stuff behind this to crash into barriers. So, signs would decapitate people, crash barriers, jersey barriers. It was kind of a test bed for that. And I think the coolest part of the car is this is a fast racer. So, which means fast appearing stock. So he races this. He runs 12 twos with this. It's an original paint 446 barrel Road Runner, and he races on a racetrack in the fast series. That's what all these cars are over here. I really like this car. So super low miles, 6-barrel. You even have to run original tires in that series. But very original car. 26-inch radiator. There's a Lynch Road build car. Air grabber hood. So engine bay still original paint. Is the paint okay?
What's going on, David?
The paint mark there.
Hey, how are you guys? Judging out one.
I love the old stickers. They must have saved the original stickers and they painted it. It did sit outside for a while, so it has a little pitting in a few spots. It has character. One little rip at the vinyl top, but you know what? I'd much rather have this than like something that's all tarted up. Like, this is a car you just leave as it is. You don't restore it. Let me go to the fender tag with you. So here's a Lynch Road tag. They're a little more complicated than the other tags. So E87 means 446 barrel. G32 is automatic. R is Plymouth B-body. M is Road Runner. 21 is 2-door post. So my car's a hardtop. This one's a post car. V is 446 barrel. 0 is year, 70. A is plant, Lynch Road. 150135 is the sequence number. EW1 is the paint code. P6K4 is burnt orange bucket seat interior. Mine's a bench seat car. FK5 is the upper door color for the doors. A23 is the SPD, which A is October. 10, 11, 12, October, November, December were A, B, and C rather than the numbers because they only had 3 digits there. The 115703 is the vehicle order number. V1X is vinyl top. N96 is air grabber hood. L31 is fender turn signals, which on a Road Runner are on the back of the scoop, which interestingly this doesn't have. That's interesting. 26 is 26-inch radiator, which I'm not sure why this has a 26-inch radiator. It must be an actual package car. Unfortunately, Lynch Road doesn't give you a lot of information about that. That's one of the codes up here, which I do not have memorized. C16 is console. So these are engine, transmission, and rear end codes. So I can tell by that rear end code. I don't have those numbers memorized. So I could look that up, but I don't have them memorized. And then it's gate, line for Lynch Road, and then the sequence number is built. So on Lynch Road car, the 15244, I can't read the last number, 6, that's the actual sequence that the car was built. So you can actually do research on Lynch Road cars. That's the actual, so the VIN was just kind of randomly assigned, by SPD. They were sequenced together, but the sequence code, and then that's an inspector stamp right there. So super cool car that's used and raced. I love it. And very similar to my Road Runner too. Not quite the same. A few little differences, but that's the variety for a Mopar. All right, more to come later.